Future-proof marketing. Platforms, strategy and growth for every business. 1. Introduction. What is marketing today? Brief history, from traditional to digital. Modern definition. Creating value and building relationships. Why marketing is critical for every business. Key marketing functions: research, communication, promotion, value creation. If you're not marketing, you're not growing. 2. Types of businesses and their marketing needs. Small businesses, local SEO, community engagement, low-budget strategies. Startups, growth hacking, storytelling, product-market fit. Corporates, brand building, strategic campaigns, market research. E-commerce, funnel marketing, retargeting, conversion optimization. Freelancers and creators, personal branding, niche audience targeting. Each type has unique goals. Marketing must align with those. 3. All major marketing platforms, 2025 edition. Digital, social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, YouTube, search engines, Google, Bing, SEO, SEM, email marketing, Klaviyo, MailChimp, influencer marketing, websites and blogs, apps and chatbots. Traditional, TV, radio, print, billboards, events and sponsorships. It's not about one platform, it's about the right mix. 4. Marketing channels versus platforms. Choosing the right mix. Owned, earned, paid media explained. Omni-channel versus multi-channel. How to map channels to customer journey stages: awareness, interest, decision, action. Tools to manage them: HubSpot, Buffer, Hootsuite, CRM tools. 5. Marketing management. Strategy, people and processes. Setting goals: awareness versus sales versus loyalty. Building a team. Roles: CMO, content, design, performance, CRM, creating a marketing plan and calendar. Budgeting and resource allocation. KPIs and reporting, ROAS, CAC, CLV, engagement rate. Marketing is not guesswork, it's structured and data-driven. 6. B2B versus B2C versus D2C marketing. B2B. Relationship-driven, long sales cycles, platforms like LinkedIn and email. B2C. Emotion-driven, shorter cycles, focus on storytelling and visuals. D2C. Brand control, personalization, direct customer feedback. Example: how Amazon markets to consumers versus how Salesforce markets to businesses. 7. The future of marketing, 2025 to 2030. AI and automation. ChatGPT, Jasper, Midjourney, Ad Creative AI, data-driven decisions, first-party data, cookieless marketing, hyper-personalization, voice and AR, VR marketing, influencer and community-led marketing, ethics, sustainability, and DEI in brand messaging. The future belongs to brands that are real, personal, and human, powered by tech. 8. Final strategy plus universal marketing blueprint. Marketing funnel, IDA or pirate metrics. AARRR. Use the golden circle. Why, how, what. Always test right pointing arrow. Learn right pointing arrow. Optimize. Marketing is never one size fits all, but here's a flexible template. Marketing blueprint. Define your market and audience. Choose the right platforms. Craft the right message. Deliver it consistently. Track, improve, and scale. Whether you're a solopreneur or a billion-dollar brand, marketing is how the world finds you, trusts you, and buys from you. Habib, thanks for watching.